We are releasing fish for Shell's birthday. 9 fish, the lucky number.
9 lucky fish get back into the water right now. This is a symbol of all of negativity from the last year that I am releasing.
It's like
Let it
really
go.
shallow right there.
Okay, fishies. Be free. Go! Go! Off you go! Yay! That means you too don't get stuck there. What are you doing? Go! Swim! Swim! Yes! And that's how
It
you
looks
do
like all 9 fish survived the bike ride.
Goodbye.
Yay!